So everything's out of the oven and out of the frying pan. I've got the onions, broccoli crowns, hot water that the broccoli braised in, and of course the cashews, which are nice and soft. I've also added some salt, which I did because I'm doing this in water and not chicken stock. So salt that to your taste. Make sure your lid is firmly on, and we're gonna blitz. That's the beauty of the Vitamix. It's so powerful. So as you can see, look at, it's a creamy, pale green color, and that's from the cashews. There's a cream effect without any dairy whatsoever. I'm gonna pour some, and I have to also mention, Chef Bill is not a fan of broccoli soup, and he loves this. So this is a wonderful way, you know, if you have kids who don't like greens, or if you just want to get more greens yourself, but do it in a tasty way. Cream of broccoli soup made with cashews. Bon appetit.